Hey everyone, it's Kelly with Kellyscards.ca and welcome to this video. So recently I did a haul video from Simon Says Stamp where I showed getting this die. And what I love about haul videos is you can actually see the product, and that way if it isn't what you're thinking, then you as a viewer, you're like, well, I'm not going to buy that. I thought it was different. And this was the case for this die for me. So I'm just going to pull this out. This is the Sizzix Thinlet set by Tim Holtz and Sizzix. And it's got these 3 dies. And when I saw this Flourish, I'm like, I want that Flourish. That is an amazing Flourish. And when I opened it up, I did a die cut of all of the pieces to show in that haul video, and I was quite surprised because, you know, basically it designs a window type card, so you could use this die cut on a card front and you could watercolor in behind. You could, I suppose you could die cut inlay with this, but that would be a lot of work because each of these little pieces are individual, and this was quite a shock to me. And basically I should have got the hint from the die. When you see that many holes, you can see how many things are going to fall out. So this isn't one piece. These are a whole pile of little pieces, and that's why I said, you know, if you die cut inlay, it's going to take you forever. So sometimes you buy something like this and it really isn't what you were thinking. So what can you do? You've just spent, you know, I spent $20 US on this product, and it's definitely not what I want. Will I use it a couple times? I probably will. I love this Flourish so much. Somehow I will figure out how to make a few window cards. I bet you if you boost this up, you could try a shaker card with an acetate top. That might work. But really, I was hoping for a one piece. So I'll just show you a couple one pieces that I have that I really love. So these are both from Spellbinders. I've had these forever, and this is their garden weave. I'm not quite sure if they sell it anymore, but this is all one piece. So when I put this down on a project, it is absolutely beautiful. And then there's another one that they make, and this one here is Fantastic Flourishes, and I've also had this one for a while, and again it's a one piece, and I'll use stick-it tape with that and it'll be a really nice accent on my project. So that's kind of what I was hoping that this set was going to be. I was quite surprised by the demo I did for my haul video when I realized that, yeah, this is more of a window type die and not really a one piece. And like, as you can see, they're beautiful. Like, look at that Flourish. Isn't that gorgeous? And this doily is quite nice. And then this one is kind of like with leaves, and I assume this is kind of like leaves and flowers type of thing. You might even say maybe that could be a butterfly. But anyways, they are very, very beautiful, but really not what I was thinking. So what can I do? Well, I have other videos discussing and talking about quick tips on how you can sell these or you can trade these. Most companies, I mean, they're not going to return this item once I've used it, and fair enough, but I can find someone who maybe wants to trade for this item, or I can sell it on a used site such as Facebook or Kijiji or whatever for sale site marketplace you have in your area. So I thought I would talk about this today because, again, I was really shocked when I saw this. And for some people, they might not think, well, what do I do with this item that, you know, I'm kind of not excited about anymore. So you do have some options of, you know, figuring out how to use it in the way that it is made to use, like in the window phase here, or you can sell it or trade it. So I hope that is helpful to you and gives you some ideas on what you can do with some of the items that you might have purchased and they weren't really what you were thinking of. So I hope that helps you. You can check me out on my website at Kellyscards.ca. You can subscribe for more videos, and I hope everyone has a wonderful day.